Mr. Baby Angel Cakes. Woo! Oh my gosh! He's so cute, bro. Oh my goodness. The tail wag already? Woo! You just love your cameos. Look at this dude. He's preening already. He's gotta get all those feathers out. You got some pin feathers on your head right now. Woo! Dude was showing off. He didn't want to come out, to be honest, but now that he is out, it's a happy time, isn't it, Fritz? Greedy bird. Wait, hold on. There we go. What are you doing, Fritz? Oh my goodness. Woo! He's already tweeting, bro. Oh my goodness. Look at him clicking. Oh, that's a happy boy. That's a happy boy. Look at those little squinty eyes. Oh my gosh. That's pretty cute, Fritz.